Hey, what's up guys? I'm here with the Hyundai Santa Fe and this is the 2.4 premium spec petrol variant. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so currently it's locked and I'm just gonna walk up to it with key in my hand. Check it out, I didn't do anything. It just opened and it's not even unlocked yet, yeah? Keyless entry. Okay, so this looks a bit off to me. I mean, it's such a premium car, like I'm so impressed with it, but when I see this I'm like, what is this? Yeah. So, keyless entry, woo, that's how you go in. And let's talk about the exterior first. Keyless entry, only for driver and front passenger. Because this is the premium variant, it comes with 19-inch tires. Now, let's look at the front, guys. Oh, let me just get the DRLs running real quick. Okay guys, so here you have the daytime running lights running just a bit. It's very bright, so I'm not sure if you can see. It's here and here. So what I think of the overall front, I think it's very huge, very prominent. I feel like I've never seen lights that are so big here but so tiny here. This is such an Asian design. It looks so fierce, yes. It looks pretty handsome, but it feels so big and small at the same time. It's a bit weird to me lah, to be honest. But I think the whole combination looks good. This looks a bit obnoxious in my opinion. So this is bi-LED headlights and your daytime running lights. Grills are huge, like my hand for scale. It's huge. The lines, I think it's very unique lines. I haven't seen lines like this before, where it goes to the center and then runs down. So that takes a little bend right there. However, there are lines here as well, a lot of continuity. It goes all the way here. Again, here you have a lot of things going on. Here you have another line as well. So the front, I don't know, I kind of like it despite having really tiny eyes right here. Apart from that, I think it's a good looking car. Okay, so let's move to the side. Again, because it's premium feature, it comes a premium variant. It comes with the 19-inch wheels, which are huge, man. They're huge. This color though, it looks very nice. Now, it's a very, I feel it's a very proper SUV. The looks, the height, the ride, I really love it. I think it's very nice. And I just noticed that the line from the front headlights, it continues all the way to the back tail lights. I think that's very nice. You have roof rack as well. And the back, I think the back looks better than the front lah, huh? Although it looks very safe, it looks like a very good boy, very well mannered, very properly dressed. Safe lah, very safe. Although this, I do like the lights that come all the way here. I'm loving all these details that you can see here. There's a lot of design inside there actually, and then you have fog lights as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. So, powered boot, and check this out guys. The Santa Fe is a 7-seater, but the thing is, you see now, like I don't know what to do with this. I'm just gonna leave it here. And I'm just going to... Oh, so flat down, and this is very easy to put up. And yeah, let's put this down. Does it have safety feature? Ooh, ooh, wow! Nope, very persistent right there. Let me try again. Okay, I'm down here. Oh, it stops, but there's a lot of pressure. It's not like any of the other boots that I've reviewed, whereby if you have just a little bit of pressure, it will stop. This one, you actually presses down on you quite a bit before it goes back up. I don't know what to feel about that, because if it's a child, for example, I would be a little bit scared, because the child might not even have the kind of strength to push back, you know. I hope they do, but you never know. Alright, another thing that I really appreciate is this. I think this is pretty cute. I've never seen icons beside the name of the car. Nothing comes to mind. I think that's a very nice touch. It doesn't look very busy at the back here. This looks just a bit off. Just the rear bumper right here. And everything is plastic. As you can see, it doesn't even follow through. Exhaust pipe right there, which is real. But yeah, all in all, I think it's a very safe, good looking car. And let's head on to the interior, guys. Alright guys, so going inside, this is the 10-way power seat for the driver's side. And as you can see, all this is leather upholstery and it's super comfortable, okay? Just gonna... And when I first got into the car, damn, I was so impressed, guys. Take a look. It looks so premium. It feels so premium. The design, I love it. I mean, look at that. Look at this bend right here. It looks like your passenger has their own space, and I'm so close to even just taking out my laptop and then putting it here. It feels like a workspace. I even have a mini desk right here. Same for the driver as well. Driver has their own little spot right here, although yeah, it accumulates a lot of dust here, but I think it's a very good looking interior, you know? Now, things that I find very cool. So this is tilt and telescopic steering wheel. You have your buttons here which feel so good. And check this out, guys. When I change the mode, the drive mode, ching, ching, I feel like I'm in a video game. There's so much animation going on. I think it's very cool. And it's a very simple instrument cluster to read. You have your tachometer, your speedometer. Very easy, and it's analog, digital analog, so that's good. You have your buttons here. I don't know, I just think it's very nice, and the feel of it, how I feel when I sit inside, I think it's very nice touches, very different. For example, check out the speaker here. There's like pattern semua kat sini. They have a compartment here, which is brilliant for me. I think they emphasize so much on compartments. I mean, just take a look at all this detailing, guys. Wireless charging, and this little vent right here, which allows your fingers to go through and know, okay, it's time to open. I think that's so brilliant. My gosh. Auxiliary cable, you have another USB port here. Again, 12-volt socket, which has this thing, and then it covers for you, so it looks so nice. Buttons, infotainment screen, I say it's a little bit small. It's, it's touchscreen, it's touchscreen. Yeah, but it feels a little bit unresponsive. Slow, yep. It's not the best lah, huh? But they have rotary knobs here, and this is about 7-inch. The buttons feel good. These buttons feel good. I feel like this is also, there's a lot of continuity for the center. For example, the stitching goes all the way here, center, but at the side there is just like, oh, it ends there, but then the whole thing and the composition flows. I think that's very nice. So yeah, you see there are 2 cup holders here, and there's even space here, so they really maximize the usage of their center console. And guys, check this out, I'm just gonna use my wallet, which is this big, okay, this big. It can fit, okay guys, okay, this one, it has a little bit of, oh no, it can fit. It can fit right here, and even here it fits so nicely. I was so surprised. I was like, whoa, this is huge. Means you can put a lot of stuff. Feels like a very family car because you have so much stuff. And in the middle it's just pure compartment. There's nothing else to it but just a whole compartment right here. That's my hand. Yeah, man. So yes, these buttons here, I like that they're in a cluster and they're here. It's very easy to know where to go. They have ionizer as well. I love the knobs. I love how everything feels. And yeah, I think it's not the best design, but it's not something I really go, ew. It's a very practical design as well. There's also a little bit of design cues here and there, which I appreciate. Again, not the best looking, but it's impressive. Like, I am impressed. and I feel so good, and everything's so soft to the touch. Here, for example, this is soft to the touch. This is soft to the touch. Leather. This is soft to the touch also. So nice. Okay, let's head to the back. Now this is my first time going to the back. Oh, is this reclinable? Okay, so I'm just gonna do the middle row first. And I'm seeing something that I like, guys. Is that what? Ah! There's USB ports right there. Woohoo! Awesome. Again, you see, they just have a compartment here. There's 2 USB ports right here. Cup holders. And ooh, okay, I think this is so useful for yourself, for you as a driver, to move the car seat in front so that your back passengers can come through. And even this feels so good. There's a balloon here, not by me, okay? Is this reclinable? Nope, it's definitely not reclinable. Oh no, it is reclinable. So it is reclinable, I just wasn't pushing hard enough. So this is reclinable. It's reclinable seats, guys. And I can move it forward like that. Oh wow, so that's how people get in. I think it's brilliant. It's a brilliant way of getting in. This is my leg room and my headroom. Oh, guys, by the way, this so good. I was so impressed. I was like, wow, these are like deluxe fabric. It feels so good. And there's also an option to suede if you want. So nice. Everything's so, it feels so premium, guys. Just gonna so okay, going to the back takes a little bit of effort. And how do I... Oh, second row. Check this out. Oh. So I can control from the back as well. Nice. Okay, so how do I bring it up? Do I pull this? No, I don't pull this. But it can fold quite a bit. I think that's good. How do I... So I cannot pull it up. There's nothing for me to pull it up once I come in. Is there? Oh, I have to do it like that. Yeah. Shit. It's not that heavy though. But yeah, to pull it up like that. And I think the back row you have a very good amount, although it's quite straight and I don't really have much support, but I think this is good. I have cup holders. I don't have any aircon vents though. I have a 12-volt socket, so that'll keep me happy. Yeah, I feel like, what's this? What's this supposed to be? Something's missing here. Ooh, nice touch. Very nice touch. It has a seatbelt holder. That's very nice. Didn't even see that right there. Nice. Very nice touch. I feel like they actually put quite a bit of thought process into designing these cars. I just noticed that here you have seatbelt holders as well. I think this is great. So when you go in and out, you know, you don't yank the seatbelt, you don't get caught up in the seatbelt. I think that's amazing. Okay, let's head to the front now. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Yeah. I love how they have this and they incorporate that everywhere. Okay, this is also something that I have failed you guys. I didn't mention this, but they actually tell you which direction you're going. So for example, this is south. So I'm just gonna give you a very good example, okay? I'm just gonna turn here. And now I'm southwest. This is amazing. I think this is so brilliant. And I'm just reversing. Okay, it's very low res. It feels a bit... It feels like it needs color correction lah, huh? The reverse camera. It's very low res. I expected more from this Hyundai Santa Fe. Top here you have... Ooh, this material feels so good. It's soft. Can you see? There's like a black lining inside. Oh my god, so much premium features. Empty buttons here. Lights. Oh guys, this Check it out. I love this! Amazing. The visors, you can extend them out all the way. However, when you open them, it doesn't light up for you, but you can always opt for the light, and when you close it, it turns off. I think that's great because sometimes when you look in the mirror, you really don't need the yellow light, you know? Yeah, I think that's about it. All in all, I really enjoy the car. I think I'm very impressed lah, huh? I'm really very impressed. I didn't expect to like so many things in the Santa Fe, and so many details, so many little things that they put inside, which makes me like, wow, impressed. This is nice. Yeah, so let's go to driving mode right now. Guys, check it out. I have the key in my pocket and I'm not gonna touch anything when I just walk up to it. What? It shows like light and it just allows me to unlock my car easily. So I'm stuff in my hand now, so I'm not gonna do it, but damn son, this is amazing, yo.